It's tradition for many neighborhoods to spread holiday cheer around the block, but this time of year our wallets start to feel totally tapped out. My first guest this morning says homemade neighbor gifts are the way to go. You can put a smile on the faces of your friends next door without breaking your budget. This DIY is beautiful and it's also meaningful, and it hardly costs a thing. Celeste Whitney joins me at the craft table to share. It's so great to see you.
It's so good to be here
Celeste
again.
brings this light. You sort of bring Christmas wherever you go year round, so we're thrilled to have you always. You say that you still can give a gift with meaning even on a budget.
Yeah, absolutely. Meaning's easy to come by, right?
Meaning is easy.
Yes. Okay, let's start with the first one, which can absolutely be a standalone, but it also can contribute to any of the other ones.
Okay.
The way I find meaning is I go to the internet and I search, like if I see some cute bells, for instance.
Bells.
Some cute bells.
Yes.
I can go to the internet and I say, why do we use bells at Christmas time? And you will find this flurry of information of like where it started, you know, why it's a symbol of Christmas.
Think of that elementary school lesson, or at least back then we learned all of the symbolism of Christmas, and it's rich, like the meaning behind these everyday objects and items.
Exactly.
Yes.
So the first one's just, I did 12 symbols of Christmas in cards. It's a printable.
Beautiful.
It's a printable.
What?
They're just so cute.
These look like lovely watercolored custom boutique buy.
So you can use it as 12 days, but obviously we're a little late for that. But they can, you know, plop this in with their books and use it as 12 days. And I used bells as an example because I just found this like stick of bells. I don't even know what it's used for, and I love it, and it was so cheap. But if you just slap on, you can just use one of the cards.
Yes.
And now, boom, meaning.
There's a tag.
You know, there's a tag for meaning.
Yes.
There's a reason for it. It's not just,
I love it.
I found this and it was only $1, so I'm gonna give it to you. You know, kind of thing.
Meaning in words, meaning in symbolism.
Yes, so you can use that as just the gift itself, or you can spread it out and use just one of them.
I love it.
Does
Where
that
do we
make
get
sense?
this printable?
On your website.
Thank you.
Obviously.
Lovely.
Hello.
Well, I have to ask.
Just kidding.
Beautiful. I'll be printing those myself.
Okay, I love them. So then we're moving on to another different type of card, which is greeting cards. These are assembled like a little Christmas village.
These are adorable.
Again, it's a printable on your site, and they're double-sided. They're super easy to cut out, and
How are the windows black?
they're just printed. It's a printable. That's the only part that's printed.
It's ink.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Isn't that cute?
Yes.
So super easy. And I bundled them up as a gift, like that you can give.
The bundle of cards.
I made a bundle of cards. They each are a standard envelope size.
Oh my goodness.
So I plop the envelopes in the back, use one of them to use as a package.
Yes.
There is another tag printable. Sorry, I can't
I'll be your
grab
Vanna.
it. Thank you. That explains it to your person that you're giving.
I thought it was a cutout. That ink is so rich.
Isn't that cute?
Christmas Village greeting cards.
So then,
so cute.
You can decorate these as gingerbread. You know, you can have the kids sit at the table, decorate them. I used it for a Christmas church party, you know, tablescape. I just did it all over, and then the guests can take them home, or the kids can draw them there.
So multiple meanings.
Yes. Or you can put them on a gift.
I just said to Emmy, she's giving just a little something to her, you know, gaggle of girls. And I said, you should write them a card. And she's like, Mom. And I was already thinking, like, sitting at the, you know, kitchen counter trying to enforce the card writing. If they were decorating gingerbread houses.
Isn't that cute?
Or village houses.
And I use like a white paint marker.
Yes,
it's just so cute.
They'd be so
cute. So activity, but it's a gift that's almost free. In fact, I got out my math skills and looked at every single little piece, like the printing and whatever, and this is about 50 cents.
To do the whole bundle?
To do the whole bundle. This is about, I mean, it depends on if you go to the printer or do it at home, but it's about 50 cents. This next one's about 50 cents. These are all like 50 cents. So I'm starting with the bare minimum.
Yes.
You can obviously give more with it, or, you know, a bigger stacker.
But these are buildable.
Yeah.
What are these? Because these are cute.
This is a Christmas ornament that's scented.
What?
So the meaning behind this is you don't want to get into predicting what your whole neighborhood's scent might be, because people are weird with smells, but a simple pine.
Universal.
Yes.
Mother Nature.
I haven't scented this one yet because I didn't.
How are you scenting the ornament?
So you just get some essential oils. So these are wooden beads.
Okay.
I used wire, not string.
Okay.
Way easier. And then I clipped it right onto Okay, so let me open this. So it's just, you know, the wire that you'd hang it on the tree.
Right.
And I just present it on a little bit of tree.
Where does the oil go?
So the oil just goes right into the wood, and wood is porous and it soaks in the oil.
Right in the center.
Just anywhere. On
Anywhere.
it, you can soak it. You can put you know, just put them all on a plate and just drip a couple drops.
Merry Christmas. Here's a scented ornament.
Yeah, and so I used pine so you can put it in your Christmas tree.
Yes.
And it just kind of smells a little bit more real.
That's extra.
But
That's
obviously you
special.
could do it with essential oils. That'd be a little bit more pricey if you want.
Yeah.
And then I even found these at the dollar store. And I thought, isn't that a fun take on like the one that you hang in your car?
Oh, totally.
Isn't that hilarious?
Oh, the car freshener,
The car
trees.
freshener? Isn't that funny?
Ours are
But a little
wood
cuter.
and scented pine, and
A little
much cuter. Much cuter. No tacky colors
The
here.
kids can put these together. This is literally just, you know, the 3 big beads. And
Your
then I
brain.
did a couple little ones.
So
it's
cute.
easy, it's minimalist, it can kind of match everything, but it's it serves a little bit of a purpose.
It's like when Reese Witherspoon waves her resume in Legally Blonde.
Oh, yes.
Smell
yes.
that. Smells good.
The pink,
Yeah.
pink, is it scented? Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
what's
it is.
next?
So this is for years such as this, where we don't get a lot of snow.
Yes.
We've all seen it. If you have kids, you've likely played with the instant snow. Have you seen it?
I've never even seen this, says this mother
Okay.
of 4. What?
This is powder.
Okay.
And it turns to snow when you hydrate it. So let's just do an experiment.
For
here.
real?
You pour this water all over this little
I'm
powder.
a Utah girl. I've
Like,
never
look
had
how
to
much
make my
powder
own.
there is. Almost nothing.
All of it?
Yes.
Okay.
All the water.
We normally don't have to make
And
our own
just
snow. This
watch.
is for
It
what's
instantly starts to turn into snow.
Our crew is wowed. I'm hearing murmuring.
Do you see this? Like,
Yes.
play with it.
Hold on. Oh my gosh.
Isn't
Oh
that
my
fun?
gosh. Yes.
It just fluffs up into this
What?
white snow.
It feels
and
very
it gets lighter
realistic.
and fluffier and whiter
Yes.
in like 1
Will it
minute.
snowball?
Isn't that so fun?
Kinda,
yeah,
sorta.
It kind of snowballs. It does after a while. You can play with it for hours. Here's the
Oh
thing.
my gosh.
My favorite people to give this to is like my grandma friends.
Yeah.
Like people who don't have kids.
Right.
They still want to play.
Of course.
And so I just packaged it up real cute.
Cute.
In little baggies, and I have a printable for this.
I love
obviously.
it. I love it.
don't do
Dreaming
anything
of
without
a
printables.
white Christmas.
So if you see the printable, it's kind of weird because there's all the instructions on the back, but then the top is, let me show you over here. The top is upside down because that folds.
Because you fold it.
That folds.
You've thought of everything, every
we
fold.
Staple it.
Yes.
I put a little bit of wrapping paper in there just to decorate it.
Yeah.
Anyways, so
and in
cute.
case you're wondering, there is a PS, a disclaimer of sorts. Don't eat the
Don't
snow.
eat it. Don't eat this one. It's
Okay.
not yellow, but still don't eat it.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Last but not least is we're going to help people wrap up their season with, you can take this a million different directions, but I found some wooden clothespins.
These are beautiful.
So this is like, I feel like I would see this in a nice boutique.
Yes.
Right? So, and then I just used my favorite yarn,
Okay.
as always, to make little, like, I think it's 5 yards each
little
one.
bundles.
I just wrapped it around so they
Oh,
can
you're
use that
so
as the
cute.
ribbon to wrap up their gifts.
Yes.
Obviously, you can pair that with some cute wrapping paper.
Right,
If
if you
you want
wanted,
to,
yeah.
you know, make it bigger.
Yeah.
But it's just cute, right? And
Okay.
I just did a couple hole punches in the
Uh-huh.
middle, and then you tie it, and then it's like, it's standalone, it's a card, it's cute.
Because brown paper packages tied up with string, and we're
Yes.
always looking for those embellishments and those extras as we're wrapping
yes.
gifts this
and
time
there's
of year.
even a symbol of Christmas about, you know, wrapping.
I
Anyways.
believe it. Your brain is magic. Amazing. So
Thank
many
you.
great, inexpensive neighbor gift ideas that, as Celeste has mentioned, you can build, you can combine. What you really want to do, though, is go to our website, studio5.ksl.com. All of the pretty printables will be there for easy access, printing instructions, too. You couldn't have made it easier. You are our gift. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas, sweet
Merry
friend.
Christmas.
We love you.